Hi friends, good evening. I'm Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, and this is my second video regarding this PGD, which we are doing in an IVF pregnancies. Okay, so when the embryos are being formed in vitro and which are being subjected to a PGD and PGDA, that is for aneuploidy. So this technique is also not foolproof, meaning thereby that there could be some finite chance that this could be false negative also. So meaning thereby that the report might be normal and we can have some issues due to baby. So we do have had this wonderful case, तो वो मैं अब आज आपको बता देता हूँ. दिस इज द प्रोसेस. ये आईवीएफ किया, एम्ब्रियोज बनाए, उनकी ट्रोफेक्टोडर्म की बायोप्सी करी, जेनेटिक एवेल्युएशन किया और एम्ब्रियो ट्रांसफर किया. तो इस तरह से हो सकता है. इनर सेल मास और ट्रोफेक्टोडर्म जो टेस्ट होता है वो तो ट्रोफेक्टोडर्म सेल्स का ही होता है, बट मोजेसिज्म हो सकती है, राइट. सो the result could be variable. ये हमारा केस है in which we have had these embryos which we did the PGD, they turned out to be normal. Now this baby is at hand, this baby. So conspicuously we are trying to look around for the nasal bone which we identify is not there, right. So it is a 16 weeks, right, and then we are trying to look around for the nasal bone which we identify is not there. So we justified for an amniocentesis, right? So we did the amnio and then it turned out to be positive. We waited for that culture even so as to identify whether it is a Robertsonian or it is a complete trisomy 21. So whatever is the technique by which we have looked on for the embryos and but whatever the baby that we are seeing which is very very specific, meaning thereby that on ultrasound we are looking around for the baby which is very specific, and even though we identify that the PGDA has been done and it has turned out to be an euploid fetus, meaning thereby that गुणसूत्र उसके नॉर्मल हैं, ऐसा हमको समझ में आता है, लेकिन हमेशा ऐसा हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है, right. And so this has happened in this case. So this in which we had done a PGDA and then we identified an euploid fetus. लेकिन हमने ये बताया है कि वो जो टेस्ट होती है ब्लास्टोसिस्ट की, एम्ब्रियोज की, वो ट्रोफोएक्टोडर्म की होती है और वो इनर सेल मास और ट्रोफेक्टोडर्म की जो जेनेटिक जो मेकअप है वो डिफरेंट हो सकता है. सो मीनिंग देयर बाय दैट वी टेस्टेड द ट्रोफेक्टोडर्म व्हिच टर्न आउट टू बी नॉर्मल and the inner cell mass was aneuploid मतलब trisomy 21 and therefore it turned out to be false negative. दूसरा, we did the amniocentesis which is an invasive test and 100% accurate test, and then we did the sort of an fish which turned out to be positive for trisomy 21. बट यूजुअली वो इस बात को नहीं बता पाता है कि वो ट्राइसोमी 21 है या रॉबर्ट्सोनियन है, मीनिंग देयर बाय कि वो डी नोवो है या इनहेरिटेड है या फेमिलियल है, राइट. एंड देयरफॉर वी वेटेड फॉर द कल्चर बिकॉज अगर रॉबर्ट्सोनियन ट्रांसलोकेशन है अगर either of the parents, so that would not be picked up on PGD, right. So it was a trisomy 21 which ideally should have been picked up by a PGD, but then this is the part and parcel of the technique by which we are looking around for the fetuses. Okay, and all these things happening is usually in the tune of something around 1 to 2%. So meaning thereby that we are not raising that question to the basic technique of PGDA which we are doing in and out, but meaning thereby that the baby that we are seeing at the moment and which is under my ultrasound probe, that tells me a story which might be different from a PGDA, right. So this is what I want to tell you. So PGDA can be normal, but the baby can be abnormal, right? Thank you very much for your patient listening.